I am standing on the passenger side door of my Jeep Commander here, and I want to show you this door handle doesn't work. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know what happens when you take a shower and you just dry your hair, but you don't put any product in it? Well, you get this. You get the Lloyd Christmas look. So that's pretty impressive. Oh, ladies, eat your heart out. You know what? Embrace it, dude. Embrace it. Just like that. Lloyd Christmas. Yeah. Hey, here. Listen, this door handle on this side of the car does not work. The car is not locked. You might be able to see right there. That is up. In fact, the way I've gotten out of this is opening it from the outside. So as long as the car's running, I roll down the window and I get out of it that way. Now, the thing is, there is a rod that will open the door, and it connects obviously to the back of that door handle. My hope is that the rod has just popped out of the little sleeve, and there's a little plastic retaining clip that holds it in place. So I'm kind of guessing the retaining clip is broken. And if that's the case, I actually have to replace the whole handle here. If the clip is not broken, it shouldn't have fallen out anyway. So I'm a little worried about that. So I am going to kind of pop off the bottom of the door panel here, look up, see if it's a quick fix. The clip just isn't in place. That would be amazing. If it's not that, the whole door panel has to come off. I've got to take out the door handle, which is a pain because they are actually melted into the door panel. So you have to cut and drill out a bunch of those like plastic rivets, and then you have to kind of remelt it all back in. It's a pain on this door. I have no idea why they did that, but I'm hoping for the easy fix. But either way, we'll find out if this door is ever going to work, because as it stands, when people get in the passenger side, they think they're being kidnapped. All right, let's get on it. So the first thing I have to do is get this door panel off. Kind of. It doesn't fully need to come off. Basically what I need is to pull away this bottom so that I can see up here, and obviously it's not connected, but to see if that little rod can connect to there, if that plastic piece is still there or not. So what I need to do here, pull away this little cover. There's a Phillips head screw under there, and then I think one under here, right there, and then one right there. And then down here, there are some spacers. You can see them right there. And I think that's where some of these little plastic rivets are. And I can just use a flathead screwdriver and kind of pull that away, or the nylon pry bar. So I'm going to get these out and then pull that away and get a light up there and see what it looks like. I wish I had an extension for my power tools, but the old hand tools work in this case. All right, now the moment of truth. I want to see if I can see up here. See what we got going on. So I see the rod right there. Okay. So here's the rod, and the little plastic piece has broken off with the rod. And so unfortunately, I don't think that's going to go back up there. But I kind of wonder if I can just transplant this little plastic piece from another door handle to fit into this little arm right there. So I have a replacement handle, and I'm going to see if maybe I could do that as opposed to taking this whole thing apart. So I pulled the little plastic piece off of the metal arm, and actually it looks okay. It looks like it kind of just got pulled out from the door handle. You can see this little barbed piece that goes up into the door handle, and then this holds on to the bar itself. So I think now that I've got it removed from the bar, I can just kind of push this back up into the door handle and then slide the bar back into it and then lock it in place. So hopefully that'll work. Let's try that. All right, I put that piece back in, but it seems to kind of slip out. So I have this other door handle here, and I've rated the piece from that. I think it looks pretty similar, but maybe it's not crushed as much as the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and try to pop this one in and see if it just holds it in place pretty securely. All right, now moment of truth. Got the door closed here, got everything tidied back up, and let's just reach down here, grab this handle, and see if it opens. Am I a god? Does everyone have these kinds of powers? Maybe I should try to go heal the sick. So that's amazing. Passengers are going to be able to get out now. It's not a kidnapper's car anymore. It's just another quality American automobile. Hey, if you need a replacement handle for your Commander or don't have a working handle and you just want to try the simple fix of connecting that rod back to the handle, hey, it might work. So pretty happy with myself, pretty impressed. Hey, I'll put a link to all of these repair parts in the description below. Peter Von Panda with Project Overlander. Out.